Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to like and share with your friends too. Today we are making DIY candy box. It is trending nowadays. So I thought of making it too, and we completed 500 subscribers. I cannot believe this. We started this channel a year back and now we are the family of 500 subscribers. I love you guys a lot. Please keep supporting us. And do tell us in comment section about the video you want or any DIY you want us to try. You can also send it to our Instagram handle at artscape62. It is also linked in the description. Again, thank you for your love and support. Keep showering our love. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.